Hey, Bogdan Kopil here, the EdTech coach, and in this tutorial, I'll show you the student perspective when it comes to communicating with the teacher and the other students in the classroom using, of course, Google Classroom. So let's dive right in, and I will open this classroom. So once again, this is a student account, and what you'll see is the student interface for Classroom. Now, Classroom has three components: the stream, where you mainly will have announcements and where you can communicate with your teacher and your colleagues; the classwork, where you'll actually have the assignments; and the people tab, where you will see all of your colleagues and your teachers. Now, the first way in which you can communicate with your teachers is, of course, using the stream. So this is where your teacher should be posting announcements or upcoming dates or updates and so on and so forth. The good part about it is that, of course, you can use this as a communication tool, so you can reply to the teacher's posts, or you can even reply to some of your colleagues' comments. So here I would just say, hey, I'm joining from Prague, right? So we can have the conversation rolling in the comments in the stream. I've just replied to my teacher's post. I said I'm joining from Prague. There's something else I can do. Let's say I've seen one of my colleagues said something interesting. I could also reply to my colleague. So when I click to reply to this comment, that colleague will be notified, and I'll just say, how awesome is that? And they will actually receive a notification. They will know that you've actually mentioned them in the comment, and they will see their names also mentioned in the, not their names, but their email address mentioned in your comment. So this is one way in which you can, as I said, communicate with your teacher or your peers. If the teacher allows you, you can even post something on the stream. If you do that, please post relevant things to the classroom content and things that actually help move conversations forward. Now, the second part where you can communicate with your teacher and colleagues is in the classwork. And this is where you should actually ask all your questions related to assignments and homework and projects you're working on. So let's use this one as an example, the digital citizenship research. When I actually open my assignment on the student end, you will see that I can add class comments here as well. So once again, if you have questions related to one particular assignment, add your questions in the classwork area for that particular assignment rather than asking them in the stream. Why? Because this keeps things organized. You'll know that your colleagues know what you're talking about. It's right there next to the assignment. Your teacher can reply to your questions here just as well. So you can add different questions on the class comments section as well. And you might just say, I just need some help with the instructions. Where is the explore tool, for example, right? I'm just asking for some help. And the good part about it is that when I'm asking help in that particular assignment, my teacher can see my question, but also all my colleagues. So somebody might be helping me out, and I will finish my assignment earlier, or I will have an answer much faster. Now, on the other hand, let's say you want to share something only with your teacher and you don't want your colleagues to see your question or what you want to share with your teacher, then do not use the class comment. Instead, use the private comments. And here, when you send your comment, this is only for your teacher to see. So your colleagues will not see this comment. It will only end up on your teacher's classroom interface. So once again, this is the second way of communicating with your teacher or your colleagues. From the stream, classwork, the second option. You have a third option. In this case, let's say you want to email your teacher or your colleagues. Of course, you can do that from Gmail directly, but if you're in the classroom interface, you can also go and click on the envelope or mail icon next to any of your colleagues. This will open Gmail directly with their email address filled in, and you don't have to go back to Gmail and send them the email. So there it is, 3 simple ways to actually get the conversations going with your teacher and your colleagues. Hope this was useful. Check my other tutorials for the student view for Google Classroom, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Until next time, Bogdan, the EdTech coach here. I'm wishing you an awesome day.